Before you scroll, imagine swapping faces in your pictures with perfect, realistic quality or from your phone. This tool I'm about to show you, Higgsfield AI, makes face swapping look like a perfect and good. No complicated editing. Just upload your image, choose the face, and the AI handles everything. Let me show you the full step-by-step process so you can get perfect results every time.
So let me show you guys how you can use this new AI tool to swap your face. If you want to swap your face, you can use this new AI tool. Now, all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. I'm going to leave down the link to this AI tool. When you click on the link, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, you register. After you register, you scroll up, you are going to see popcorn for free. Here, you click on popcorn free. When you click on popcorn free, it's going to take you to an interface like this where you are going to start using this AI tool. You can use it to create your own amazing videos. You can use it to also swap your face. You can use it to generate images. You can use it to do a lot of things. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this AI tool to swap your face. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, when you look out below here, you are going to see auto and you are going to see manual. It's up here why you are going to use manual and it's up why you are going to use auto. But right now, I'll be using auto. And to face swap, all you have to do is to upload our image. Now, let me upload the image I want to face swap. Now, this is the two images I uploaded. Now, as you can see, the first image here is the image of Brother Shaggy. We all know him, one of the best funny comedians in Nigeria. I want to face swap my face with him. Now, this is my own image. As you can see, this is my face. Now, I want to face swap. Now, I want to face swap. All I have to do is to put my description here, and to put my description, this is what I will write. Swap the face in image 2 to image 1. As you can see the prompt, swap the face in image 2 to image 1. Then I'll click on generate. After putting the prompt, the first thing I have to do is to click on result. Here, as you can see, you can generate 2 results, you can generate 1 result. Now, you also select your resolution. Here, you can select 1 resolution, you can select TikTok resolution, that is 19.6. You can use it for YouTube also, that is 16.9. Now, I want to generate for YouTube, I'll put it for 16.9. Now, the next thing I will do, or let me just leave it at 19.6 for YouTube, for TikTok or Facebook. Then the next thing I'll do is to click on generate. Now, after clicking on generate, I need to give it just less than some minutes and it's going to generate my image for me. So let's just give it some minutes and it's going to generate image. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting latest updates on how you can use AI to edit your images, how you can use AI to edit your videos, and also how you can create amazing videos with AI. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, let's just give it some minutes so that it is going to generate our image for us. Now, as you can see, this is the image here. We are waiting for these 2 results. After the result is done, I'm going to show you how you are going to see the result. Make sure you remember, this is the image I uploaded to surface, and this is also my image. So let's wait for the result and see how the result is going to be. Now, while we are waiting for the result, let me take you guys to home screen and show you, because if you are generating, you may be generating image with this platform, or you want to generate image and it will ask you, yes, it is free, but it may ask you to upgrade your package. So to upgrade your package, all you have to do is to head over to the home page. When you get to the home page, you click on the pricing here, and when you click on the pricing, you are going to see there are different type of package here. Now, as you can see, they have package 1, which is going for $9 per month. They also have the pro package, they have unlimited package, they have creators package. So you can decide to unlock anyone you feel like unlocking. Just subscribe to it, and after you subscribe, you see after you subscribe, you start using the AI tool. Now, you can also change it to annually. Here, you are going to see how much you are going to subscribe annually. So you can subscribe to the AI tool so that you can be using the AI tool very well, and it will be very fast, and you can use it to generate any different type of image. or any different type of video you want to generate. All you just have to do is just to give you a prompt. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I start dropping more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.